ColorAnt 3 from ColorLogic is a solution for analyzing and optimizing measurement data. With version 3, we have added a brand new feature called Edit Primaries. This brief tutorial demonstrates just one of the many possibilities with the Edit Primaries tool. In our example, there is an existing characterization set and output file for the printer. Over time, there may be slight differences in the proof versus the print. This may be due to variances in the cyan ink, due to manufacturing, or possibly a different ink brand. The paper having a different white point due to more optical brightener, or in the simplest terms, the proof doesn't match the print. By using the View and Compare tools in ColorAnt, it's obvious that the original data and the current measurement data don't match, especially in the cyan areas and the lighter areas due to the difference in the shades of paper. To get the proof more in line with the press, or whatever standard the proof is targeting, a new printer profile needs to be generated. The most common way would be to print a new ITA chart and go through the entire measuring, profiling, and printing process. To streamline this process, this is where ColorAnt's Edit Primary tools comes in. With a control strip, it's a quick and easy update to the current data set. Simply print any control strip, and it also could be one that's currently being used in production, and then measure it with a spectrophotometer. The example shown is a ColorLogic wedge, and again, any wedge will do, as long as it contains 100% of the primary colors, some tints and overprints, and most importantly, a patch for the paper white. Load the measurement data from the original house standard data set and the control strip data in the ColorAnt Datasets window. Select the measurement data of the house standard and click on Edit Primaries. The dialog box shows the primary colors, the corresponding lab values, and the value for the paper white. Next, click on the eyedropper tool of the color that needs to be swapped out and the cyan value from the control strip. ColorAnt shows the new lab values in the dialog box, but it is also pulling the spectral data in the background. When the star is highlighted in the dialog box, as we are showing here, not only 100% of the spectral values will be used for the calculation, but ColorAnt has automatically found tint and overprint information in the control strip data. The paper white can be edited the same way. Click the eyedropper and again select the paper white value from the control strip. Again, ColorAnt displays the lab value in the window, but it will be using the spectral data. One side note is that it is always preferable to work with spectral data, since overprints can be more precisely calculated than working with colorimetric lab values. Click OK, and a new measurement data file will be calculated with the spectral data we replaced from the wedge. Using the Compare view, notice that only the color combinations affected by the updated data was changed. Color combinations that contain magenta and yellow are only affected by the new updated spectral data for the paper white. If everything looks okay, then we can go ahead and save a new measurement data file and create a new output profile. The new printer profile will reflect the current printing conditions with the new ink and paper and will ensure a much better match between proof and printed piece.